Hi students. From today we shall start permutation and combination. It is very important chapter in mathematics. Although it is in class 11 standard, but it is very important for competitive exam, joint entrance, India, etc. And you should focus this chapter very carefully, and it is very important also. First of all, you have to know permutation and combination. What is permutation and what is combination? How could you classify it? This type of sum is permutation sum. This type of sum is combination sum. How could you classify it? First of all, you have to read the sum, focus, then think, then decide. Either it is permutation or pure combination, or permutation and combination combined sum or not. First read, then focus, then think, then decide. First of all, you have to know for permutation, there is some symptoms for permutation. It may be given like language like this: arrangement of standing in a line. This type of sum, it is normally permutation. Seated around a table, it is normally a permutation sum. Problem of digit sum, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, this type of sum is normally permutation sum. A letter of words, word problem sum. Suppose combination, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Taking letters of the word letter of the word permutation, how many way we can choose these letters? Arrange these letters. Arrangement. That is permutation sum. So this type of sum are normally permutation. And what type of sum is combination? Selection. You have to select something, choose something, making of groups, making of committee, like this, form of group, form of committee. Now, let us discuss about permutation at first. First of all, suppose A, B, C, 3 letters are given. How could we choose, arrange these letters? A, B, C, permutation means arrangement. How could we arrange 3 letters? You can write A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, B, A. We can choose A, B, C in 6 ways. This is the arrangement. That is total permutation. Permutation of the arrangement is 6 ways. We can arrange these 3 letters in 6 ways. That is 3 letters, 3p3. Arrangement is, you can write taking formula 3p3. That is factorial 3 minus 3. That is factorial 3 by factorial 0. Factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 0 is 1. That is 6 ways. It is mathematically, and we can do this. That is permutation. So total number of way form this arrangement. This is total number. This is all are separate arrangement. This is total number of permutation. So we can taking further. What is this 3p? That is NPR. NPR is the formula. N is total number of letter taking 3. Take n is 3, r is 3. NPR means factorial n by factorial r, factorial n minus r. That is NPR. And what is that? Is NPR. N and NCR equals to factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r. So NPR factorial, this is NPR factorial n minus r. NPR greater than NCR because this is greater, this is smaller. Now let us do combination. How to decide it is combination sum? This is selection. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 letters given. We have to select 3 letters from these 6 letters. Selection. So from 6 letters, we are selecting 3 letters. We can write A, B, C. We can write B, C, D. We can write C, D, E. We can write D, E, F. Like this. There are these all are selection. This total number of selection is permutation. The combination, total number is total combination. So here from 6 letters 6C3, that is factorial 6, factorial 3, factorial 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3, factorial 3, 3 into 2, this cancel 6, that is 20 way. 20 way we can total number of combination is 20. Total number of combination is 20. Okay, now I think you understood how to select from 6 letter, 3 letter, taking 3 letter each time, and total number of combination how to get. Now let us do a sum. They are given 25C n plus 5 equals to 25C 2n minus 1. Here find n from this sum number 1. Find n. So here 25C n plus 5, 25C 2n minus 1. By the problem you can write 25 equals to n plus 5 plus 2n minus 1. That is 2n plus 1 equals to 25 minus 4 implies 2n plus n. 3n is 21, to n equals to 7. The another one we can get this equals to this. 2n minus 1 equals to n plus 5. 2n minus 1 equals to 6. 2n equals to 6. 2n minus n equals to 6. n equals to 6. So here value of n is 6 and 7. Both is the correct answer. Now, fundamental concept of counting. What is fundamental concept of counting? Maximum sum we can do this concept from the concept of counting. Suppose there are tie, 3 number of tie and belt. Suppose there are 4 number of belt. 3 number of tie and 4 number of belt is there. How many way we can select tie and belt? So 3 number tie we can select 3 way, and 4 number belt we can type, we can select 4 ways. They have a total number of selection 3 into 4, that is 12 way. And means multiplication, that is the fundamental concept of counting. And multiplication. And or if you have addition. Suppose you have to choose either tie or belt, then your selection should be 3 plus 4, that is 7 ways. Actual formula is M, you have to choose different things. This tie is different, belt is different. You have to choose tie and belt, then multiplication. Suppose n different things, and R different things, you have to choose it. You have to choose M, N, R. That formula M into N into R. That is M, N, R. From N plus or M or N or R, we have to do addition. Suppose let us do. Suppose a lady want to choose a lady, there are 10 polyester saree and 12 cotton saree. 10 polyester saree and 12 cotton saree. A lady want to select 2 saree from this. One saree from polyester and 1 saree from cotton. So he can choose 10 ways. From 10 polyester, 1 saree could be chosen 10 ways, and 1 saree from cotton he can choose 12 ways, and you have to choose 2 saree. So 1 saree could be chosen from 10 polyester saree 10 way, and 1 saree could be chosen from 12 cotton saree is 12 way. Therefore, total number of saree will be 10 into 12, that is 120. But if he has limited budget, he want to choose either polyester or cotton, then these plus these, that is 22 ways. Then if he has limited budget, he can choose 1 saree or 1 saree. So 1 saree from polyester could be chosen 10 ways, or you have to choose one saree or 12 cotton sarees, so that is 22. That is the addition. Another one I am telling you, suppose a man want to go from Delhi to Jaipur. There are 4 vehicles, suppose bus, train, car and plane. Yeah. There are 4 selection. How many way he can go from Delhi to Jaipur and come back also. So there are 4 vehicles. He can choose to go from Delhi to Jaipur 4 ways, and come from Delhi to Jaipur another 4 ways, and means into, that is 16 ways. But if there is restriction, suppose there is he don't need varieties. He will come. What vehicle he used to choose first, he will not come back that vehicle when he come back. The first chosen is 4 ways into, then he have to what vehicle he is chosen at first, he will not take that again. Then another 3, from 3 will choose 3 into 4, that is 12 ways. I think that enough for fundamental concept of basic concept of this. Now let us do some number 1. 4 letters with letters four letters of words. Four letter of words with or without meaning. With or without meaning, which can be repetition not allowed. With four letters formed four letters of words with or without meaning from word wrote. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition not RNA. The RNA means repetition not allowed, and the RA means repetition allowed. So four letter of word you have to choose. Four letters. Suppose first place could be, we have to take any words from the letter, that is we can choose, we can do this, that, what, taking four way we have to do, four ways. After filling first, there is three way remaining, that is three. After second, that is two way remaining, that is two. After third, there is only word, that is one. Therefore, total number of way four into three into two into one, that is 24 way. We can do this. First place could be filled four ways. Second place could be filled three ways. Third place could be filled two ways. And fourth, and all are and. Fourth place could be filled one way. As this is and, the total number of way, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 48. That is the explanation. Next, sum number 2. Question number 2. 4 flag of different color, 4 flag of different color how many different signal would be made using 2 flags. So there are 4 different colors we have. Using 2 flags, how many different signal we can make? So there is 2 signal. First signal could be done taking 4 ways. Then second signal could be done taking 3 ways. That is total number of ways is 4 into 3, that is 12 ways. Similarly, first place would be fill 4. First place could be done equals to 4 ways. Second place could be done 3 ways. Therefore, total and first place and second. Therefore, total number of signal 4 into 3, that is 12 ways. Next sum number 3. Sum number 3, question number 3 is very important. Suppose there are 5 flags. Minimum from 5 flag, we have to draw minimum 2 flag, 5 flag taking two flag, minimum two flag, how many signal, how many signal would be done? So there are 5 number of flag taking minimum 2 flag. Minimum 2 means कम से कम. Minimum means कम से कम. That is ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. That is 2, 3, 4, 5. It will not be less than 2. It may be 2, taking 2 flag, making 3 flag, making 4 flag, making 5, taking 5 flag. We have to do. How many signal? We have to prepare signal. So case 1, taking 2 flag. 2 flag. Number of signal. Suppose taking 2 flag from 5 flag. First place could be done 5 ways. Second place 4 ways. So taking 2 flag equal to 20 ways. And case 2, taking 3 flag, 5, 4, 3. Taking 3 flags. First place could be done 5 ways, second place 4 ways, third place 3 ways. And case 3, taking 4 flag, how many signal we can prepare? First 5 ways, second 4, third 3, fourth 2 ways, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, 60, 120 way. And taking 5 is 4. Taking 5 flag, all the 5 flag. So this is 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. That is 240 ways. Therefore, total number of signal is 20 plus, that is 60. 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 240 equals to 80, 120, 80, 120, 240, 80, 120, 200 and 240, 440 number of signal. Next, sum number 4. Question number 4. How many 3-digit number could be formed using 1 to 9, if no digit repeated, if RNA, no digit repeated, you have to form 3-digit number, first place, second place, third place. So first place could be formed 9 ways, second place could be formed 8 ways, third place could be formed 7 ways. Unit digit, 10 digit, 100 digit, that is total number of way equals to 9 into 8 into 7 equals to 504 ways. So first place could be formed 9 ways because there are 9 number of digits. Second place could be formed, you have taken first digit, so 8 ways. Third place could be done 7 ways because 2 digit have been taken. No RNN digit is not repeated. Repetition is not allowed. That's why this should be this. Now sum number 5. Question number 5. How many 3-digit even number? 3-digit even number can be made using 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We have to take even number 6, 7 and RNA. No digit is repeated. Repetition not allowed. So here, look, we can do this some 3-digit number. Here, repetition is not allowed. So here is add, as this is a even number. So first place could be maybe 2 or 4 or 6. This first place could be done in 3 ways. Next, second place, there are, after taking 2, second place can be done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 ways. As repetition is not allowed, the 2 digit has been taken. Next, third place could be done 3 ways. That is total number of ways equals to 3 into 5 into 3, 4. This is 4 ways. 4 into 5 into 3, that is 60 ways. Another method I am doing, suppose there is first digit taking 2. As this is even number, taking first digit 2. Now, second, there are another 2 places there. So first 2 is taken, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5, so we can write 5p 2 way. 2 place is there, total number of digits is 5 because 2 has been taken. The 5p 2 ways, that is 5p 2 is 20, and taking 4 in first place, similarly 5